First, open ChatGPT or DeepSeek Chat for free. Use this high-converting prompt, generate 200 short, viral-worthy riddles under 15 words each with a clever twist. Riddle, question, answer, solution. Make them fun, engaging, and slightly challenging. Pro tip: use Blackbox AI for even smarter, more unique riddles. If answers are too obvious, ask ChatGPT. Make the answer less obvious, add a twist. Don't have ChatGPT Plus. Use Perplexity AI, Claude, or Gemini. They work great too. Copy all riddles into Google Sheets with a 4-column structure. Title: the riddle itself. Highlight: teaser, body, answer, hanging line, call to action. Remove duplicates, overly long riddles, or boring ones. Keep only the most engaging. Now let's automate everything in Canva. Use this Canva Pro link for Bulk Create. Choose a vertical video, go to Apps Bulk Create, upload CSV from Google Sheets, map columns to text boxes, title to riddle text, body to answer, highlight to extra text. 3 viral design styles: minimalist, gradient background, animated emoji style, timing and animations, riddle. 3 CC, answer 2 sec, CTA 1 sec. Use pop or typewriter effect. Never use Canva's default music, it's copyright claimed. Use YouTube audio library, upbeat.io, or stream beats. Bulk export in Canva. Click download MP4 all pages. Upload 5 shorts a day for best algorithm favor. Boom! You just learned how to make 700 plus viral riddle shorts in 60 mins. No face, no voice, no problem. Like and subscribe if this helped. Comment riddle below. I'll DM you the exact ChatGPT prompt plus Canva template.